If you are willing to do only what's easy, life will be hard. But if you are willing to do what's hard, life will be easy. In a world obsessed with flashy displays of financial success, a select group of individuals takes a different path, building wealth silently and sustainably. This approach, often called silent wealth or stealth wealth, focuses on the steady accumulation and preservation of assets without drawing attention. These wealth builders understand that true financial success comes not from displaying status symbols, but from following time tested principles that compound over decades. They recognize that sustainable wealth creation requires discipline, strategy, and a long term mindset. Living below your means isn't about depriving yourself of earthly pleasures, but intelligently allocating resources. Silent wealth builders maintain modest lifestyles even as their net worth grows. They understand that every dollar saved can be invested for future growth. When their income increases, they channel extra earnings into investments instead of upgrading to luxury cars or massive homes. This discipline allows them to build substantial wealth over time while avoiding the attention and pressure that comes with visible displays of success. They focus on quality over flashiness, often choosing well made but understated items that provide value rather than status symbol. This approach allows them to enjoy life while maximizing the investing potential of their income. Silent wealth builders prioritize substance over show. They invest in assets offering consistent returns rather than chasing trending investments like tech stocks trading at high PE ratio or cryptocurrencies. This approach means carefully evaluating opportunities based on fundamentals rather than hype. When others rush into speculative investment driven by FOMO, these individuals stay grounded in value based decision making. They understand that sustainable wealth comes from owning assets that generate real value over time. Their investment decisions focus on cash flow, growth potential, and long term viability rather than short term market excitement. This measured approach helps them avoid costly mistakes and build lasting wealth. The most successful wealth builders maintain an insatiable curiosity about markets, industries, and opportunities. They read extensively, attend relevant seminars, and build networks within their areas of interest. While a couple of decades earlier you would have to physically go to seminars for networking, today we can learn from the best in business just by watching their online videos where they explain how they pick stocks and their psychology about investing and money management. This continuous learning allows them to spot opportunities others miss and adapt their strategies as markets evolve. They invest time in understanding both fundamental principles and emerging trends, creating a knowledge base that compounds like their financial investments. They seek mentors, learn from others' experiences, and stay humble enough to acknowledge there's always more to learn. This growth mindset becomes a crucial component of their success. Privacy serves as both a strategy and a shield for silent wealth builders. They understand that attention can bring unnecessary complications and distractions. Instead of broadcasting their success to others, they focus on execution and results. This discretion extends to their digital presence as well, where they carefully manage information about their financial affairs. Maintaining privacy allows them to focus on their long term objectives without external pressure or scrutiny. They selectively share their knowledge and success, often mentoring others who show genuine interest in learning rather than seeking publicity or acclaim. The power of compounding drives silent wealth building. These individuals make decisions based on long term value rather than short term gains. They understand that meaningful wealth accumulation happens over decades, not months. They plan their investment strategies around long-term trends and fundamental value rather than gambling in the market or random speculation, and this patience becomes one of their greatest assets. During market volatility, this long-term perspective helps them stay steady with their wealth building strategy. They accumulate shares of good companies when others are selling in panic mode. Be greedy when others are fearful, as Warren Buffett says. These people focus on the financial goals and destinations rather than daily market fluctuations. And this mindset allows them to make rational decisions even in turbulent times. Diversification goes beyond investment portfolios for silent wealth builders. They actively develop multiple income sources, reducing dependence on any single stream. This might include combining professional income with rental properties, dividend stocks, or business ventures. Each new income stream adds to their wealth and provides protection against economic uncertainty. They carefully evaluate each opportunity, ensuring it aligns with their skills and long term goals. This diversified approach creates resilience in their financial foundation, allowing them to weather the economic downturns that might devastate those dependent on a single income source, like a salary. Silent wealth builders treat profit as a growth tool rather than a license for luxury. They consistently reinvest earnings into new opportunities, understanding that this compounds their wealth building potential. This discipline requires setting clear guidelines for allocating profits between reinvestments, savings, and personal needs. They maintain this discipline regardless of how large their wealth grows. They establish transparent systems for managing and reinvesting profits, often automating their savings and investment processes to remove emotional decision making from the equation. Before pursuing aggressive growth, silent wealth builders ensure that their foundation is solid. This means maintaining substantial emergency funds, appropriate insurance coverage, and risk management strategies. They understand that protecting wealth is as important as growing it. This conservative approach to risk management helps them weather economic storms that might devastate less prepared investors. It's not how much you make, but how much you save, as Dave Ramsey says. So these people regularly review and adjust their protection strategies, ensuring their wealth remains secure as it grows. These include estate planning and tax efficiency strategies. Successful wealth builders take a strategic debt usage approach. They borrow only for assets that appreciate in value, avoiding consumer debt entirely. When they use leverage, it's calculated and conservative with clear repayment plans. This disciplined approach to debt helps them grow wealth while avoiding the pitfalls that often trap others. They understand the difference between productive debt that builds wealth and consumer debt that erodes it. After all, you can't go bankrupt without debt. Their leverage is always strategic, never emotional or ego driven, and always tied to clear return expectations and risk management plans. Silent wealth builders focus on creating lasting impact rather than an immediate impression from what they own. Their success manifests in their actions and results rather than outward displays. They build wealth for themselves and create lasting value for future generations. This long term perspective influences every decision they make. They often establish strong estate planning strategies and focus on teaching their families financial literacy. Their approach to wealth creation becomes a model for others, inspiring through results rather than words or displays of new cars and big houses. Building silent wealth requires patience, discipline, and a long term perspective. These principles work together to create a sustainable wealth building approach that stands the test of time. While the path might not be flashy, It leads to genuine financial independence and lasting success. The accurate measure of wealth isn't its display, but its ability to provide security, opportunity, and a positive impact over generations. When you see your coworkers' new car or their big house, you are more likely seeing their debt, not their wealth. Net worth is what you don't see. Success in building silent wealth comes from consistently applying these principles and having the discipline to stay the course despite market volatility or social pressure. It's a path that rewards patience, wisdom, and strategic thinking over quick gains or social validation. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Please let me know your thoughts on this topic in the comment section. So until next time, see ya.